Hey, welcome back YouTube. I am here to show you a Saturday morning start. I did a little bit of work last day out on the window. So there's the window. I bought it used, $75, maybe a little bit high, but whatever. So here it's gonna go. Looks kind of like a beaver chewed it out. Hit some studs. So I will show you how I'm gonna reinforce all this. But anyway, for today, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna punch the window out of there. And so yeah. Just stay tuned, and I'm going to get a little bit of a video footage of this thing as it's going along there. So I was away riding last weekend with the Can-Am up in Kelowna, and I got home from Kelowna, and my wife was just like, "Go look in the trailer." So Donna led me out into the trailer, and she'd been busy. Check this out. Home is where the KTM and Can-Am are. Ha! That's awesome. That's amazing. I loved it. Made my day. That is totally awesome. In the cool Geerage trailer. So hey, stay tuned. Here comes the window. Okay, so first step, making sure that it's even across the top. Window's got to be in alignment. And then moving forward, I'm going to be using the grinder, and I'm going to be cutting out the aluminum. And once I get the aluminum out, I have got to remove the screws that the aluminum siding is held on by. And I'm going to be peeling the aluminum off the window cutout and exposing the old clear studs. Once that happens, I've got to be using the grinder again to be cutting out the studs. And then once you make sure that all of the grinding is done and cut out, we move on to window and pressing the window in and ensuring that it is even. After that point, I'm going to be enlisting Donna to give her assistance and give me holding the window as I double check inside and out. And then again, I will be installing the mastic sealant, the two-sided mastic sealant, and she will hold the window in place again, and I will double check it from the inside for the alignment. Once it's all in and it's good, I'm going to set it in hard by pushing the window into the actual mastic itself and seating the sealant. And obviously going to be finishing off Donna holding from the outside as I finish off screwing on the inside. So there we have it. So there we have it. Window is in. I have got the weather stripping in behind here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put tape around the perimeter on the face of this, and then I am going to be putting in some black polyurethane caulking all the way around. So I'll show you the inside. Have it. It's in, it's done. Just gotta tune it up. I will likely paint the silver heads of the screws black, and away we go. So my next process will be putting in a header across here to pick up the weight load of the roof, because I had ended up cutting 1 stud, 2 stud, 3 studs out here. So stay tuned. You'll see the finished product when I return. Hey YouTube, I'm back. Okay, I'm going to do a quick little blurb about how I'm going to finish off with the window. I told you already that I had gone ahead and cut some studs out from the structure. I've refound them. I've drilled some holes and I've found the studs. So what I'm going to do is, because these studs are cut, again, I'm going to create a header that goes across the whole thing. This is the piece of wood that I have cut here, and it's got the holes already marked out in it, already drilled on the outside there. Now I'm just going to go ahead and mount it to the wall, and I'm going to use glue all up and through here. It'll all be glued in behind there. I've recessed for some of the hardware that I've had to allow for, and it's ready for the final header, if you will. So there we go. That's it in my window trim package that I have to get finished up, and she's good as gold. So talk to you in a bit. Hey YouTubers, I'm done. The window's in and it's all finished. If you appreciated this video, subscribe and like it if you could. Bruce from the Cool Geerage out.